Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we're continuing to see some compression. You saw an attempt to get over the top of both the 50-day exponential and 50-day simple moving averages yesterday to no avail. They closed it below the daily midband, and now they're basically fighting over the daily midband as I'm taping this. You can see that the Bollinger Bandwidth is down to 3.31. So look, we're still getting decent ranges. It's still giving us a lot of elbow room to get stuff done. We were able to do 19 and a half handles in the room yesterday, and what was, a fairly tight range. It came up to our proprietary upper level and failed, traded down to the proprietary lower level at 64. So, anytime the market's going to do that for us, it's going to be a good day. As we head into today, what we need to focus on down underneath us is this area. Weekly pivot to monthly pivot. That's the deal, okay? Weekly pivot to monthly pivot is the deal, and the bears have got to convert that if they're going to accomplish anything remotely resembling the levels that they traded to last week. What the bulls want to do is they want to kind of hold it here. They'd like to hold it here at S1, get back above the daily pivot, which they weren't able to do overnight, and then go ahead and challenge the 50 days up in the area of 73 to the highs yesterday of around 81.5. If they can get up and through there, then it'll start to build. But it's a lot of back and forth. We're continuing to engage the daily mid-band pretty much every session. And as long as that's the case, we're going to see this compression on the daily chart that, is going to give us one heck of a really nice resolution. It's always frustrating when you're compressing in small ranges. We're not doing that here. We're compressing in nice ranges, and we're going to get the expansion that goes with it, which is why 2018 this year is just a fantastic trader tape. All right, that's all I've got. We'll be out on Instagram in a bit. Everybody take care. A lot of new people joining the room, a lot of people taking a trial, a lot of people converting to paid because they like what they see. If you do this stuff every day, come check it out. I think you'll like what you see. We're going to do another free webinar tomorrow after the close, so look for the sign up on that, and I will catch everybody then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.